just need to snug into that blanket more than she can possibly do. I can wrap her around maybe. Get in there. Oh. She heard this alarm. Kibble isn't terrible. The breeder found a kibble that. Hey, don't bite. I don't. Crazy as before. She was like jumping everywhere, crazy, and then like she almost went to the ceiling. And everything's gone. She's licking the leftovers. Just gotta rotate around the. What's that place? Rotate around the. Oh, what is a question for that stupid quest? I understand though. It's super annoying. Okay, that's nice. Where the hell did she go? Oh, how did you come out? How the hell did you come out? It's been breached. Lady, how the hell did you come out? Come here. Woohoo! Woohoo! This is the blankie. Super soft. I wonder if you guys can see the textures. It's her favorite now. Right, Leddy? Woohoo! Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! It's trapped now. You're mine. Yeah, she's never getting out of there. It looks like a good one. Yeah, it's really good. Land shark? Yeah, it's a land shark. Let's go! This is the one I bought. Good lord, that is big. Leddy, I'll let you play with it. So I'm supposed to like dug in some treat in there. Not recommended gift many toys in one day. Oh yeah, maybe I shouldn't be doing that. Hide tiny trees, yeah. Of course she goes for that stupid thread thing. I don't know why that exists. Should I hide like 2 kibbles? I'll hide 2 kibbles. Give me a second. I hide 3 kibbles in there. No, let it go and work. You got work to do. Go, find it. Alright, stupid girl. Go and find it. This won't work. Now she's going for it. There you go. You smell it, right? You can smell it. Oh, she found one. She found one. It's in there. Yeah, it's in there, right? Oh, yeah, there you go. There you go. How about another one? There's one inside the carrot. Oh, she found that one too. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. On the carrot. In the carrot. There's one in the carrot. Let's go. Go for the carrot. No, it's not on the same spot. On the carrot. Yeah, you can smell it. You can smell it. Yeah, in there. Yeah, in there. That's so funny. It's kind of deep inside though. I don't know if she's gonna find it. It's kind of interesting that she could actually find it by smell. But they need to like actually work hard to understand using the nose. Before that, oh, I think she got it. Get it? Nope, that's it. I don't want to make you fat. There you go. You unlocked Leddy's exclusive photo. Give me a second, I'll show you. This one, Dachshund, yes. This one, it's her favorite blanket right now. Yay! So cute. Come here. Come here. Come here. Whoa, 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 how did you do that? That's dangerous. It's right here. It's on my hand. Like right here. She's not getting it. Right here. Oh, she's scared that she's gonna. Ah. Yes, yes, yes. Good girl, good girl. Good girl. Okay, 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 okay. And then she's like, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it is a clinger. No way. After that, the footage has been deleted. It was a clinger. Holy crap. If you guys enjoyed this video, do leave a like. I'll try to upload daily or weekly contents as much as possible. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have a dog, do tell me and share in our Discord or just talk about it in the comment. If you want to check me out on live, check out Twitch and YouTube and Kickstream. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye guys. Bye bye.